There are two completely different ways a machine can learn something, and once you see the difference, AI starts making a lot more sense. The first is called supervised learning. Think of it like studying with flashcards that already have the answers on the back. You show the AI thousands of photos. This one's a cat, this one's a dog, this one's a cat, over and over. It learns the pattern between the input and the correct answer. Then you hand it a photo it's never seen, and it figures it out on its own. That's supervised learning. You're giving it data with the right answers baked in. The second type, unsupervised learning. No answer key this time. You just dump a pile of data in front of the AI and say, figure it out. Imagine dumping a pile of junk on the table. You didn't tell anyone what's in there, but naturally, you start grouping things. Batteries here, rubber bands there, random cables in the corner of shame. The AI does the same thing with data. Give it 1 million customer records and it starts finding natural groupings without anyone ever labeling them. That's how recommendation engines discover taste profiles you didn't even know you had. And just so you've heard the name, there's a third type called reinforcement learning. That's when an AI learns by trial and error, getting rewarded for good moves and penalized for bad ones. Like training a dog, but the dog's playing chess. Supervised, unsupervised, reinforcement. 3 different ways machines learn, and now you know the difference. Follow along for the next one and drop your AI questions in the comments. This has been Daniel with Cadmus Lab, and thank you for tuning in for our AI Zero to Hero series. Have a great one.